One sunny morning, Sam decided to go to the park to relax. He brought a comfortable, relaxed, cozy blanket to sit on and a refreshing, cool and pleasant bottle of water. As he found a nice spot under a tree, he noticed a family having a picnic, meal outside, nearby. Sam saw that everyone at the picnic seemed cheerful, happy, and bright. They were laughing, giggling, chuckling, and having a great time. Suddenly, a little girl from the family walked over and smiled at Sam. She looked curious and asked, "What are you reading?" Sam showed her his book, which was about adventure, exciting and unusual experience stories. The girl's eyes widened in excitement. "I love stories like that!" she exclaimed. They started talking, and Sam found out her name was Lucy. Lucy told Sam all about her favorite mystery, something unknown, usually thrilling to solve, stories, and Sam was impressed, felt admiration, by how much she knew. After a while, Lucy's mom called her back to the picnic. "Nice meeting you, Sam," she said as she waved, moved her hand to say goodbye. Sam smiled and waved back. As he walked home, Sam felt grateful, thankful, for the chance to meet someone so friendly. It was a simple day, but meeting Lucy had made it memorable, easy to remember because it was special.